The PlantX platform aims to serve as the digital face of this community with its one-stop shop for everything plant-based, including an easy-to-use e-commerce shopping experience featuring plant-based grocery items, from all your pantry needs to vitamins, cosmetics, and even pet food. Meal delivery with recipes created by well-known plant-based chefs throughout the world. Plant Shop, delivering a wide variety of affordable indoor houseplants to homes across Canada and the US. Easy-to-follow plant-based recipes every week. Partnerships with restaurants, nutritionists, chefs, and brands. A community of like-minded individuals. And on top of it all, state-of-the-art flagship PlantX locations. With its comprehensive e-commerce platform, PlantX is strongly positioned for a prominent role in both the fast-growing plant-based food market, e-commerce, and the online food delivery sectors. The company aims to capitalize on this anticipated exponential market growth of the plant-based, e-commerce, and home delivery industries. So why PlantX? First mover advantage. PlantX maintains a first-mover advantage as the first known public company fully focused on the plant-based e-commerce space. Strong execution. PlantX has strong business fundamentals. The company is well capitalized with cash on the balance sheet, no debt, low CapEx requirements, and diverse revenue streams. High-growth sectors. PlantX operates in 3 high-growth industries. PlantX plans to fill the void in the marketplace by bridging the gap between these investment opportunities. Organic growth and strategic M&A. The company plans to grow organically through new partnerships, global brick-and-mortar locations, and additional product verticals, as well as through a pipeline of accretive M&A opportunities. Global positioning. The move for PlantX is global, and the intent to list on NASDAQ evidences PlantX's commitment to investor accessibility and corporate growth. Looking for more information? Visit investor.plantx.com.